What's that?
I had my discard starter out of the fridge at 6 a.m. My nephew is behind the lens and my niece can't wait to get here. We are definitely looking forward to lunch. We're making sourdough buns for sandwiches later this afternoon. I toyed with the idea of eating out, but with the cost of a burger at 2,500 naira or more, I quickly realized it will be budget friendly to make 8 burger sandwiches at home since this wasn't a solo burger treat. Baking is fun to me because each end result is a treat. The first time baking is always awkward. Slight changes can give you different results each time. It is not about perfection, but more like not giving up. The sourdough buns will need the longest time, so I will start with that. All recipes I'll leave in the description box. I am putting all my ingredients together so I don't make any fatal mistakes. The major ingredients in making a burger sandwich are flour, meat, and vegetables. The rest of what is needed are condiments in small portions. For 3 cups of flour, I will get 8 delicious healthy buns. I prefer to knead with my hands most of the time, just for the simple fact that electricity is not stable around here. I will gradually add olive oil last and continue to knead for a few more minutes. The dough will soften up after a while. I am glad to have family in the kitchen from time to time when I'm cooking. It's like being entertained while you cook. The feeling to be somewhere else is gone. Grease a container with a lid, mold the dough, place into the container and cover. I will rest the dough for a while to get the first proofing going. And yes, cleanup comes with the job description. and a minute to take care of my faithful starter. The usual feed and leave on the counter. Little things make cooking at home easier. Enjoying a treat while making a treat, resting the feet, and little conversations. I am going to shape the dough into 8 round balls for the second proofing. Divide the dough into 2. Each half will make 4 dough balls. I will start with the first half, split into 2 halves. Then split each half into 2 to get 4 pieces. To shape each dough ball, pull the edges of the dough and fold in as you turn the dough. Lastly, cup the dough with your palm loosely and rotate in circular motion to tighten the round shape. Check and pinch to close any loose edges. I will cover loosely with the cling film and leave on the counter for the second and final proofing. I am definitely going to need some sauce for the sandwich. To roast the garlic, I will cut off the tip of the garlic bulb, place on a baking sheet and drizzle with olive oil. For this sauce, I will cut roughly ginger, garlic, red chili peppers, a few tomatoes, onions into a bowl. drizzle with olive oil and salt. Toss and spread on the baking sheet beside the garlic. I order the lean cut from a local butcher. I will cut it up as thinly as possible and place in the freezer before processing. After 30 minutes, it is ready when it has that charcoal grill effect and the veggies are soft. Place into the blending cup and add olive oil, about a tablespoon. This will keep for more than a week in the fridge. I use this for almost anything: stir fries, eggs, stews, and sauces. If you love spicy, you will enjoy it. If it's thick, remove and shake, then continue blending. Once it is smooth, pour into your storage container. It is flavorful and delicious. For the garlic, I am going for content only, and my niece has got this better than me. I grew up living most of my life with extended family. One of the best parts was cooking with family, having fun and teasing each other. We are picking fresh coriander for the burgers. I will add the cold beef, fresh coriander, salt, onion powder, and black pepper and process the meat. These dollies are ready at about 4 hours. I could keep them going for longer, but we can't wait. We're getting hungry. My nephew wanted to make his area of interest. He did a pretty good job. If only we could switch the time it takes to cook food with the time it takes to eat. I guess everyone will make fast food.
Don't worry, find a way. This does not look messy. It looks like normal pot. What is that on?
Cooking at home is worth the trouble. There's more for everyone without breaking the bank, and we made it healthily. Like I said, baking is fun because each end result is a treat.